Hey, you don't need much. All I've got is some gloves here, and I've got my support belt on, my lumbar support belt on here, and I've got some earplugs on. Actually, I just have some, what do I have on? Just some toilet paper inside my ears, and that's it. Now, I'm going to take this off. You might have thought, did I get lucky before? No, not really. I'm just using a little flat, it's almost like a hoe, except it's just one edge here. Okay, and that's all I'm using. I'm gonna start a line over here. I'm gonna take up one entire line. And when I do it, this side seems to be just a hair sharper than the other side. So then I can flip it over once I get it loose. Oh, that one's kind of breaking up. Looks. Once I get it loose, see it hits right on that, and I flip this over and push it up. Let's see if you can see that. Just going to keep going here, right to, these last couple tiles. I don't know how easily your tiles will come up, but these particular ones are coming up nice. Okay, so once I get one row, you know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to hit this edge. Now I can flip this over. I will hit the edge right there. I don't have to go flat, see? I've got an edge to work at. That. One-handed. Just take up the edge. Bend down each time. I can try to take it like that. Scoop it up. Okay. Yeah. You can see that. It doesn't take long to do this. See there? I guess I can take up this last one. Sometimes these come up harder right around the edge, but along the edge, they used to have some quarter round trim that went over the top of here, and it looks like before they installed the carpet, they whacked off that quarter round trim. And so these pieces here don't go underneath these tiles, so they actually should come up pretty easily. See there? Just like that. You don't have to be a handyman type person, professional or anything. Just an average Joe, just like me, you can do this. How hard is that? Did you eat your Wheaties today? Wish you were here. You'd have a little fun doing this with me. Let's get you situated in a different area here. I think you thought I got lucky on that go right there. Let's see if I can't do that again. Let's just leave those right there. much fun, I think. Yeah. I'm glad you're along for the ride, because you can see with just a little bit of an effort, hardly any, I'm pulling these up. That's all she wrote. Now I can stack all these up. Now why am I taking these out? If you have those down on the floor and you're just gonna go over the top of that with some carpet pads, some carpet, you don't have to take these tiles up as long as they're down and they look nice and tight. If you see curl marks, and if you see bits and pieces of them lifting up, then you might want to make a different type of decision. Or if you're getting ready to install a laminate free-floating floor, do you have to take these tiles out? Absolutely not. Why are we taking these out? Well, if you remember, if you've been watching, taking these out, and see this black tar nasty glue, I've got to remove that. And that's going to be my next step, because I want the floor to look just like this. I've already removed this mastic over here, and this was just a line in the room because we had a sauna here. If you want to see that, of course I got that on my channel too, how to remove that sauna. And I took it apart with just an Allen wrench, believe it or not. And when I get done with this floor and seal it and let it dry and stuff, I'm going to put the same carpet pad down in this corner, same piece of carpet, and I'm going to put that sauna back together. So keep watching, because I want to show you how easy it is to put this particular sauna together, especially if you're thinking about buying a sauna, you want to put it in your house. Absolutely, you can do that. Okay, keep watching.